to our ancient hero Amicus. He was a king of Berbius. Moreover, he had a lovely family. Amicus loved very much his son, and he trained him to become as strong as he was. That's a good reason to choose him, because he's a sensitive guy and family guy, and he's strong too. And because he was the owner of water, and moreover he took part in the Trojan War. That was our presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So, Triton is a fish-tail sea god. He fought with Hercules, and I found interesting about this fight because Hercules is a very popular semi-god in the ancient Greek mythology, so this fight is very interesting.
Triton, also accompanied Zeus, who is the father of gods, when the latest disguised as a bull, kingdom hero. And also Triton carried Pluto, the mother of Apollo, to Delos when she was ready to give birth.
Thessaloniki was born around 352 or 345 BC. To commemorate the birth of his daughter, which fell on the same day as the armies of the Macedon and Thessalian League won the significant battle Thessaly over the Phocians, King Philip decided to name her Thessaloniki. In the Greek language, her name is made up out of two words, Thessaly and Nike, that translates into Thessalian victory.
Arian attended a musical competition in Sicily, which he won. On his return trip, the sailors betrayed him. They plotted to kill him and steal the rich prizes. Then he asked to sing a last song. The song attracted a number of dolphins. He threw himself into the sea, and one dolphin saved him and brought him back to Corinth.
The ship in which Arian had sailed had been brought to Corinth by storm. When the tyrant ordered them, the sailors, to show that Arian was dead, Arian came out of the monument. They were amazed. After that, the tyrant ordered to kill them. That's the end of his story.
I think that Arian is the best mythological character in ancient Greek because he saved himself with just one song, which is incredible and really unlucky for someone like normal.